once in a while. Oh well, guess I'll just watch TV.
Run for it, Captain!
You want something fast?
Yes!
You want something furious?
Yes!
You want something that'll get you away from your boring daily life. Something that will allow you to go out into the world, make you feel free, finally free for once in your pathetic life? Then you need the Turbo 3000 Speed Machine. All other cars are garbage.
If the car salesman is saying it, it must be true.
Turbo 3000 Speed Machine, the newest advancement in car technology. Set yourself free.
I need it. I need the freedom. Oh, I don't have that much actually. Also available used for $1. One car coming up. It'll be here tomorrow. Finally, I'll have some freedom. The smiling critters will be so impressed. We can go to the mall, the zoo, Broadway. Oh, I can't wait.